Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm preparing honey garlic salmon. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. This is a half of a fairly large salmon. I'm going to wash it in vinegar and water and then cut it up into steaks. Just like that. Now I'm just patting them dry, just trying to take out as much of the liquid as possible. Just like that. Okay, just set the salmon aside and start the dry rub. I'm going to be using all of these seasonings here, about 2 tablespoons of each. Whatever I'm using and you don't want in your dry rub, just feel free to leave it out. Remember, I'm building flavor and my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract or divide whenever you're using any of my recipes. God bless you. Okay, I'm spicing it up with some red pepper flakes. Now, you can always substitute this with black pepper, but I don't use black pepper. Get this all mixed up. And before you use it, add a little bit of sugar, just to balance everything out. All mixed up. And then you're going to pat it onto the fish steaks. Just like that. Okay. Coat each piece completely, all over it, just like that. Back and front. Lime juice is a must when it comes to fish for Bahamians. So this is how we do it. We add lime juice, just like that. God bless you. Okay, I'm going to let these coat up in some grapeseed oil. But whatever type of oil you have, feel free to use it. Side down first. Just like that. Yes, and the temperature is at medium. Allow to get a little crust before turning over. Now, you don't want these to cook all the way because they have a next step. Take them out and transfer them into a baking pan. Just about a minute on each side. Just like that. Look at this now. This is not all the way finished, so this is going to finish up in the oven. Okay, I've added a little bit of the oil at the bottom so that the fish would not stick. So I'm just going to arrange these just like that. Now I'm going to make the honey and garlic sauce. That's honey. This one is just about finished, but I'm getting every bit of it out. I've added a little water. Okay, have another one. Now that's a minced garlic. Oh boy, this is going to be great. Okay, that's the water that I've added to the container earlier. That's about a 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm using about a 1/4 cup of honey. It's up to you how sweet you want it, but that's enough for us. Now that's some bell pepper and onion. So they're gonna go until they are somewhat sour. More lemon juice. I want to get this right. These are just gonna go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna spoon them over each piece of salmon, just like that. All of that goodness is gonna go over them. I've added some more lemon. Then I'm gonna cover it down and allow it to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Before serving, everything is ready. We have some nice peas and rice. We have a big salad with fruits and veggies. And of course, the salmon. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to give us a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you again, and I will see you in the next one.